So we are going to continue today with the how many can contain topic, in which I will be explaining to you what is a cube. This is a cube whose sides are of 1 centimeter each. See, your mathematics book is 1 centimeter high. So guess how many such centimeter cubes will take the same space as your maths magic book. Now what is a cube? I'll show you. A cube is a small dice kind of 1 centimeter. You might have seen while playing Ludo or snakes and ladders. The game you put that dice on which you find 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dots and 6 dots. Right? You can see that small dice is having square shape every 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, upper 5 and down 6. Right? 6 faces are there. And every face is having a shape of a square. That is called a cube. Now I will explain you about your Maths Magic textbook. That how the Maths Magic textbook length, breadth and the height. The thing which is mentioned here, Maths Magic book is 1 centimeter high. This I will explain you with the demonstration. So come on, let's see it.
Okay, so here is the Maths Magic book which I have taken, and here is one scale which is representing here the numbers which are graduated in centimeters. So let us take the measurement of length of the Maths Magic book. Okay, that is till here. You could see it is 27 centimeter. Right? Now the graduation in your scale, it may differ the number, but here it is 27 centimeter the length, and then we are going to take the width of the textbook. So this is the width of the textbook, and the width is, you could see it is 21 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to see the height, this height. When you keep it on the floor, the floors, when it comes to a height, that is when it is raising up, so this height we are going to measure, that is with this scale is 1 centimeter. So we are going to write it here as length is 27 centimeter, width is 21 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter. So we are going to find the volume of the textbook, volume of your Maths Magic textbook. That is, length is 27, breadth, which is also called as width, they are one and the same, only the name is different, that is 21, and multiplied by height is 1. So 27 multiplied by 21 we are going to do. 27 multiply by 21. So 1 multiplied by 27 is 27. We will put 1 when we 0 when we are multiplying it with the tens. 2 7s are 14. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 7. We are going to add it. 6 576. 1's the height is remaining. We are going to multiply it with 1 now. So this is 567 multiplied by 1 is 567. So this is how we have taken the volume of Maths Magic book. Now I want to show you the cube. So this is how we can see that when we are taking the length. Now what is this? This is 1 cubic centimeter. I have taken one eraser, and then I have made one cube of it just to show it to you that this is 1 cubic centimeter. It is 1 centimeter from everywhere. You could see here I have taken the measurement. See, it is 1 centimeter everywhere, length, breadth and height, everywhere it is 1 centimeter. So this is 1 cubic centimeter. So if I am going to see that here the cube is like this, 1 cubic centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter, like this. How many cubes will we get arranged till here? They will be 27 cubes like this. This is 1, then another one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 27 cubes will come here. And if it is width-wise, then 21 cubic centimeters, that is 21 cubes will come here. So length and breadth, and see the height. The height is here. You could see this height. This height is actually 1 cubic centimeter. You could see this much breadth. Only this much width is there. So what is the volume of this? Now I have taken out the calculation here. 567 cubic centimeter is the volume. That means such cubes you need how many, you know? 567 cubes. When they are arranged 21 like this, 27 like this, and will fill all with the cubes. Total, if I want to arrange all such cubes here, I will be able to make the platform of this 1 cubic centimeter. So how many boxes will be, cubic boxes will I need? I need 567. Right? These many cubic centimeter will come and will make the size of your Maths Magic textbook. This is what called the volume of Maths Magic textbook. Okay, students?
Okay, students, so I have shown you the length, breadth and height of your Maths Magic textbook. Now, this is an activity present on the page of your textbook. Here, some diagrams are given and where you will be writing the answer in the textbook. Hey, my Maths Magic book is about dash centimeter long. Long means the book's length, right? That we had measured the book's length. So as I showed you the Maths Magic books, this is the length. So that we had measured, that you will write it here. So dash centimeter cubes will fit along x. That I explained you that you have to keep how many? 1 centimeter cube is for 1 centimeter. So if it is 27, how many cubes will fit? 27. So 27 centimeter cubes will fit along its side. Now the next is, and it is about dash centimeter wide. So this is the width. So I measured it. It is 21. So we are going to write 21 centimeter wide. Now if you are going to put 1 cube on 1 centimeter, like that, how many cubes will come? Correct. 21 cubes will come. So 21 cubes will fit along the width. So 27 here and 21 here. So total dash centimeter cubes will fit on the Maths Magic. So if you want to fit all, you want to fill it. Cube like that. So we don't have that many cubes, right? So we will be applying one technique. And what technique is that? We will multiply the number of length, that is 27, multiply by 21. Whatever answer you get, that many cubes will fit on the surface of the Maths Magic book. Like the boy is doing, right? He is actually placing all the cubes here. You can see. While placing all the cubes in the surface of the book will get filled by the cubes. So that is the surface, only surface, not the volume. Because still we need to go with the height of the book. So that answers is actually these numbers of cubes which are formed in simple line and chain. I hope students you understood the answer. We have to write it here after multiplying 27 by 21. Okay. Now practice time is there for you, which are different objects are given to you. This is the practice time which you will be completing it by yourself in the text. Now what they are taking? A stage platform is made with 5 max matching book. The volume of this stage is the same as dash centimeter cubes. That means now we will be taking out the volume of this max matching book. That I am going to show it to you. Okay? So let's see it, how we are going to do it. Okay, so the answer will be written here about the volume of the mass material. As I showed you, length multiplied by breadth. Only length multiplied by breadth gives you the surface area. But when you multiply length, breadth and height, that was only 1 centimeter cube, right? So the answer of this and this does not changes because height is only 1 centimeter cube, and 1 multiplied by any number gives you the same number. But the thing is going to change for the next questions. Guess the volume of these things in centimeter cube. Now here some different objects are taken. First are matchbox. Take one matchbox. Measure its length, measure its breadth, and then the height. You will come to know what is the volume of that matchbox. Right? Okay. Next is geometry box. The geometry box, that is the geometry compass box. Measure the length, measure the breadth and the height. Correct? You will be getting the answer. That will be the volume of geometry box. And volumes are always written in centimeter cube because I showed you